Good morning, guys. Mary from Raising Dick and Jane here, and this morning we got a package in the mail, and we're super excited about it. I want to share with you today. But this package, I'm going to give you a little backstory, comes from an event that is taking place in different areas across the U.S., and the next one is actually going to be in Portland, Oregon on September 7th through the 9th, and it's going to be at the Oregon Convention Center. This event is called the Play Fair, so be sure to look for that. Now, we're going to go through this box because I want to show you some of the really cool things that you can expect to find when you attend the Play Fair. So here is the package we got in the mail from the PDX Play Fair. This is the play box, and everything in here, this is just to give you a sample of the types of things you can see at the Play Fair. So let's see what we've got. This is Play Fair exclusive vinyl, the 2016 official Play Fair edition. And we'll pop that open and see what's in that. What else is in here? This is the Peppa Pig like little bus. My kids actually, when the package arrived, they got so excited they opened it up and got into this one already. So it's not in its package anymore. But this is pretty fun. This is one of their favorite things in there. We'll set that up here, and then they didn't get into the rest of it. So let's see what we got here. This is a Team 10 little toy, and there's this little person down here. We could check that out. What other fun stuff do we have? This is a Playmobil Explorers with some dinosaurs. Well, looks like a lot of fun. And then this is some Trolls posters and Run Wild Live Free. The Spirit. Oh, from Netflix. My kids actually really love that video. Let's see what else we got. A little paper. Oh, there's some Trolls. What are those stickers? Tattoos? Oh, those are tattoos. How fun. So much stuff down in here. Let's see what else. So there's also a book. And this is The 10-Horse Farm by Robert Sabuda. This is a New York Times best-selling pop-up. Oh, it's a pop-up book. Oh, those are my favorite. What else? We got some... Oh, there's a little turtle. A little turtle down here. Isn't that cute? Pull that out of its packaging. And we've got a Survivor deck. Oh, a trading card game. That looks like fun. Trolls, The Beat Goes On. This looks like a CD. There's another one. Some stickers. A Kind Kids Chewy Oat Bar, which we've already been started buying these. My kids love those. Got a bouncy ball. What's this? Wrap Snaps. Oh, this is super cute. These are like little bracelets, and then as you can see, there's little charms on it, so you can choose the design. That's super fun. Mad Hatter Quantum Pod. They'll love that. Oh, and here are some more of the snaps. Those are adorable. So much fun for back to school. So here it is. Here's everything that was in that box. Be sure to go to raisingdickandjane.com to learn more about attending the PDX Play Fair and see when the event is coming to a city near you.